Flat roofs offer excellent energy-saving benefits and a beautiful aesthetic to the cityscape. However, flat roofs have their share of problems if not constructed the right way or maintained. The biggest issue is pooling. In this video, you'll learn about common flat roof problems and how to approach maintenance and repairs. Flat roof problems. If you have found problems with your roof, you need to act immediately. Prolonging it can make it worse. Some of the roof problems you may encounter include what's known as a split. A split occurs when the material used suffers from cracks or tears. It can be due to weather conditions or bad installation. Another issue is ponding or pooling. This tends to happen due to clogged drains or gutters. Moisture trapped on the roof may seep and cause damages not just to the roofing but also inside the building. One more problem to be aware of is blistering. This is the formation of air pockets that makes the material bubble up. If not repaired immediately, these bubbles will grow and pop to become a hole. Flat roof repair. So, now that you know some of the problems, what can you do to fix them? For starters, patching is an effective solution to a small damaged area. It can solve moisture damage that is not yet spreading. Another solution is recovering. This is a solution advisable when there's no leakage and only mild deterioration. New materials will cover the damaged materials without removing them. Finally, you can discuss roof coating with a professional. Here, a coating is effective in solving minor issues and minor damage. Professionals do this by applying a thin membrane on top of the damaged roof. Commercial roof maintenance. To know whether your roof needs repair or replacing, you need to know what to look out for. Here are some factors you want to remember in maintaining your roof. First, consider the age. If your roof reaches its lifespan, you can still repair its damages. However, it's advisable to replace your roof to get its benefits back. Next, look at your energy bills. A change in your electric bills may be the result of roof problems. A rather telltale sign is if you notice roof leaks. If you see water leaking, you should repair this immediately. If not fixed, you might do a roof replacement. Finally, keep an eye out for visible damage. But keep in mind you may not notice all the issues. You can ask a professional for a more detailed inspection. Doing inspections on your roof can determine whether you need a repair and what kind of repair. There are pros and cons to having a flat roof. What matters is proper maintenance and repair of any visible damages immediately. You should find a commercial roof repair company that helps you with all your needs. If you're looking for flat roof repair services, our company is the one for you. We offer outstanding services. We also ensure that our deliveries are on time without compromising your budget. Our services include commercial roof repair, maintenance, and other roofing installations. So what are you waiting for? Contact us now.